Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate your clip using keyframe in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. For example, I am going to add image to the tray. So to make rotate using keyframe, you are just going to select the uh, position and size. In the right you can find the keyframe button. Just click and you can swipe to the right and change for the rotate. I want to change uh, 25 degrees and enter, and then you can swipe again to the right and change for the rotation for 50 degrees. Swipe to the right again, change for the rotation. So do as before. Until finish the video. Right. So here we go, you can see the final result. Alright. You can change for the scale. Right. That's how you can rotate your clip using keyframe. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.